Hey everyone, today in this video we are going to see Verizon 5G home internet versus Spectrum 2025 speed price data caps compared. Verizon 5G home internet is best for urban and suburban households who want fast unlimited internet with a multi-year price lock, especially if they already have a Verizon mobile plan and can benefit from bundling discount. Spectrum is ideal for a wider range of customers including those in many rural areas seeking reliable cable internet with various speed options and affordable introductory pricing through prices raised after the first year. Both are affordable for most households seeking high speed internet, but Verizon's best deal favor existing Verizon wireless customers, while Spectrum's broad coverage suits those prioritizing availability over long term price stability. Speed and price comparison Verizon versus Spectrum. Verizon speed and price. Provider Verizon 5G plan name 5G home download speed up to 300 Mbps, upload speed up to 20 Mbps, standard price no bundle $50 per month, price with mobile bundle $35 per month, price guarantee 3 years, equipment fee none, installation fees none. Plan name 5G home plus, download speed up to 1000 Mbps, upload speed up to 50 Mbps, standard price no bundle $70 per month, price with mobile bundle $55 per month, price guarantee 4 years, equipment fee none, installation fees none. $15 per month discount when bundled with a Verizon postpaid mobile plan and using auto pay and paperless billing. Example $35 per month for 5G home, $55 per month for 5G home plus. Price lock for 3 to 4 years, no equipment or installation fees. Spectrum speed and price. Provider Spectrum plan name Internet Advantage download speed up to 100 Mbps, upload speed not applicable, standard price no bundle $30 per month, price guarantee 12-month, equipment fees $10 per month. Plan name Internet Premier download speed up to 500 Mbps, upload speed up to 20 Mbps, standard price no bundle $50 per month, price guarantee 12-month, equipment fee $10 per month. Plan name Internet Gig. Download speed up to 1000 Mbps, upload speed up to 35 Mbps, standard price no bundle $70 per month, price guarantee 12-month, equipment fees included. All plans are introductory rates for the first 12-month price increases after the promo period. Equipment fee of $10 per month for most plans except Internet Gig, which include equipment. Free modem included. Router rental is $10 per month unless you use your own. Summary. Verizon 5G home internet is more affordable long term for Verizon mobile customer thanks to a $15 per month discount and a multi-year price lock. It offers competitive speed, especially with the 5G Home Plus plan, and includes all fees in the price. Spectrum provides a range of cable internet speed with attractive introductory price, but prices raise after the first year and may include equipment fee. Spectrum does not offer a 5G home internet product. Its plans are traditional cable broadband. Verizon 5G Home is best for those who want price stability and already have Verizon Mobile, while Spectrum is ideal for those seeking a variety of speed option and wider availability, especially in areas where 5G coverage may be limited. Plan availability comparison Verizon versus Spectrum provider Verizon 5G home availability about 18% of the US expanding in cities, urban areas widespread, suburban areas growing, rural areas limited or rare. How to check availability and the address on Verizon's coverage map. Provider Spectrum availability 41 states wide urban or suburban coverage. Urban areas widespread, suburban areas widespread, rural areas expanding or available. How to check availability and the address on Spectrum's website. Verizon 5G home internet availability. Verizon's 5G home internet is expanding, but coverage is still limited compared to cable. The service relies on proximity to Verizon's 5G ultra wideband towers, so even within cities, availability can vary block by block. 5G home internet is generally not available in most rural areas as of 2025. Expansion is ongoing, but the primary focus remains dense population centers. Exact availability must be confirmed by entering your address on Verizon's official's coverage map, as even neighboring homes may have different eligibility. Spectrum Internet availability. Spectrum provides service in 41 states with a strong presence in urban suburban, and many rural areas, Spectrum is actively expanding its rural broadband footprint through dedicated initiatives aiming to connect over a million new rural locations by 2025. Spectrum's cable infrastructure allows for more consistent availability across both densely populated and less populated regions. However, some very remote rural areas may still lack access, so address verification is recommended. Summary of availability: Verizon 5G home internet is best suited for customers in metro and suburban areas with a strong 5G coverage. Its rural availability is limited and depends on the ongoing expansion of 5G infrastructure. Spectrum is available in more locations overall, including many rural and underserved areas, thanks to its established cable network and active rural broadband initiatives. Who can buy? If you live in a rural area, Spectrum is far more likely to be available at your address than Verizon 5G home internet. For urban and suburban residents, both providers may be options, but always confirm exact serviceability using each provider's address lookup tool. Data cap comparison: both providers offer unlimited data with no caps or coverage fees. Provider: Verizon 5G home, data cap none. Spectrum, data cap none. Summary: Verizon 5G home internet is best for those waiting a long term price lock, no equipment or installation fees, and deep discounts if you are already a Verizon mobile customer. Both 5G home $35 per month with bundle and 5G home plus $55 per month with bundle are competitive with speeds up to 1000 Mbps and no data caps. Spectrum offer a wide range of plans from $30 per month, 100 Mbps to $70 per month, 1000 Mbps with introductory rate for the first year and equipment fee on most plans. Spectrum's cable internet is widely available and can be bundled with TV or mobile for additional savings and longer price guarantee. Both providers have unlimited data, no contract, and no early termination fee. Spectrum's plan are more widely available, especially in rural areas, while Verizon's 5G home is expanding rapidly in urban and suburban markets. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.